Today, this lesson, I will explain to you how to create the hatch styles in Revit. Okay. So first of all, as usual, we need the wall. So I have to create the wall first. Okay. So I have to choose the architectural wall, right? So I have to create the wall. Okay. So it's done now. So I can go to choose my 3D. So this is my wall. So here I can go to choose this one to flip. Okay, right now here, so what's the issue here? So I can connect this one, right? So I can this is right. Now I can go to choose my floor. First of all, I have to choose the structural floor. Okay, so in the structural floor, I can go to choose this wall boundary. So here can create the wall boundary here. So I can go for TR. I have to go for corner. Okay, right? So I did this one. So this wall, I can go to choose floor. I can go to choose around 150, 150, and metal duct I don't want, so I can remove that one. Okay, structural only. I can use it, and I can add right only structural. Okay, now I can go back to my floor. Okay, now I can go to choose another level. So I can go to choose that level around 50. Okay, so this is I have created the architectural floor level. So I can create that. Okay, so if you want, I can choose the level name. So I can go for FFL. Okay, FFL. I just only show here only. Okay, so I can rename it FFL. Yes, that FFL. Right. Now I can go back to my FFL level. I can go to choose my architectural floor. Um, I can go to choose again the floor timber, edit. I can choose any name here. Okay. So otherwise, I can go for ceramic tile. Okay. Any name you can put it. Go to edit. So finishing, I can make it. I can choose this ceramic tile. Okay, so I can choose this one to ceramic tile 600 by 600. Okay, and I can put it that one 8.5, and here I can go for any sand and screed. Okay, sand and screed. Then I can go to choose around. Take that one 50, so 8.5. So I can go for 41.5. Okay, so I created like this way. Okay, right. So I can go to choose. Now I have to choose the pick a wall. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, and six. I did this one. Right. Now I can go back to my door. I can place my door somewhere here and place my door somewhere here. Okay. So see, for example, that I can go to choose here. Okay, I did this one. Now I can go back to my level 0. Here I can uh, make a section. See, this section you can find out. You can go to choose fine and you can go for the hidden wireframe. You cannot find out any details here or any H plan. Why? Because we are not applied the H styles in cut plans. So I can go to choose here. I can go to edit. So first of all, in the finish, here you can find out the cut plans, it's empty. So you can go to choose what type of cut plans you needed. So I can choose like horizontal or vertical. Okay, so I can choose actually I can go for the stones or any type as you wish. You can change it, otherwise you can name it, rename it. Okay, now I just click the uh, I can go to choose my right. I can, for example, like I will choose um, masonry. Okay, I can choose this stone. Okay, I can choose the stone. Okay, apply. So this stone, I just apply like this. Okay, apply. Okay. Again, I can go to the screen. You can find out the pattern. The screen pattern is available here. Okay, right. Now I can go back to my section. Here it's came, but the scale it's little bit different. So you have to reduce the scale. So I can go back to again visibility graphics. Okay. Mm, or I can go to choose my direct parameter and go to material. Here I can find out the stone. Go to edit. It's showing 1 inch. So I can put 0.1 and apply. And the same time I can apply this screen also. I can go to apply the scale around zero point 0.1. Okay, apply that. So now you can find out it's showing like this. So if you want, I can choose the scale 1:50. It's become 1:20. 10, you can find out all the scales are. Now you can find out the details. Okay, right. And the same time, so this is my basic wall. So you can go back to here, go to edit. So the vertical way it's showing the finish. You can go to find out the pattern. Any pattern you can choose it. I can choose it like bricks. And don't forget, you can go to choose the scales. Okay, scale is must. So the bridge is not visible. Okay, and structural material also I can choose it. This is, you can go for masonry and can choose it this one. Okay, but here I can go back to my mm, scaling. Okay, can apply. So here you can find out the details. Now see, you can find out the details. You can easy to visible, right? Okay, so this is a way we can create our details in the floor or wall or anywhere, any elements you can able to find out. How you can find out the this details. Okay, now I can go back to my 3D view. So this is my 3D I created. Okay, now you can find out the walls and these things. And the same time I can apply this one. Okay, so I can go back. Now I can go back to choose this. Here I can choose the finish. The finish is here, so I can choose the finish like same tile. Okay, same tile, ceramic tile, 600 by 600. Okay, but I can put it 8 point, not 8.5. It's, I can put it around 5 mm. Okay, and here I can go for 50. For just example, I'm doing. Okay, see now what happened. So I can flip it. Okay, right. Now the main thing is I have to align this one to here. So I can go for try to find out this one. So I can just drag it. At the same time, here also, this is shortcut way I am creating, but when you work on the project, carefully you have to work on it. Okay, so this is something it's not getting right place. Okay, so here you can find out is all okay. So even here also I can go for lock it, otherwise sometimes it's moving. So it's okay now. So I can move it. This one also. And finally, move this. So everything is done now. Okay. So you can find out. So this is a way I created. This is a way I created this everything. Okay. Right. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.